Manasi, we discussed about the sources, NCRT, notes making, test series. Okay, I think the better would be now that you give a practical demonstration that how you tackle some of the answers last year. I think that would be very beneficial for all the students. Okay, so Manasi, I'm just opening the paper. I'm just sharing the paper. Till then, if you want, you can take some of the questions in our chat box. Few of the students have asked some questions. You can clear them, and till then, I'm just opening the paper. Okay, can you see the chat box, Manasi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can.
PYQs, how many years they are relevant? See, I divided the PYQs theme wise. It is not kitna piche jana hai. It is about how many new themes are coming up. I think everybody is understanding what I am trying to say. अगर एक थीम कुछ नई आई भी है, whether it is in 2001 or 1996, I will write it in my questionnaire that okay, this has to be covered, and if I get time, I will cover it. But again, give priority to last 15 years first, and then move forward. So I thought of discussing 4 or 5 questions. I think these first 5 questions I will discuss. It is basically to give a perspective into what might have worked, because 163 is very good, and I think I worked on my thought process in this mains attempt. So can you please scroll it down?
Yeah, sure. I think these are the same questions you are talking about.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, please make a note of it. If anyone can make a note of it. I'm also making notes. If you can also put some of the points, because he's telling whatever he's telling. Okay. Yes, please, Manasi.
So the first question is, describe the applications of psychological principles in managing drug abuse in adolescents. Now, this is a topic that we have read in paper 2 as it is, drug abuse. So generally what happens is we might start writing what we recollect from paper 2's drug abuse notes. But one point I am going to make again and again is addressing the demand of the question. What has been asked? What is the main aspect that is being asked here? Here it is psychological principles. Drug abuse is just the application of that. It could have been anything else. So the key focus is on psychological principles. That is one aspect. Second is how you will structure those or how you will present those psychological principles. One way is you'll just write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then you'll come out very happy that I wrote 12 psychological principles. It is fine. But now compare it with somebody who has used syllabus. That person says, okay, these are the emotional psychological principles. These are the motivational principles. These are the personality related principles. These are the biological principles. You've given a subheading. And under that, even if you mention 5, give example to 3, you have done your job. Nobody is doing this. Who are doing it, they are getting 275 plus. And I think that is a major difference that has taken me from 120 in paper 1 to 163 in paper 1. I can go even one step forward. If I have to write this year, I have some framework, but I'll share it. For example, in Smarak Swen we read with respect to disorders or well-being that psychological principles 3 तरह के होते हैं. One is predisposing, one is precipitating, one is reinforcing. So in the introduction only, I will write these psychological principles can be divided into 3. I'll draw that diagram and then I'll mention these are the predisposing. For example, biological principles, personality principles. Then what are the reinforcing factors? You write those. This is next level of presentation. And I think somebody is doing it. If it came to my mind, somebody has already thought of it. पहली बार हम कुछ नहीं सोचते, वो हो चुका होता है. So this is what I wanted to show through these 3-4 questions. It will open up your mind, whosoever's mind is blocked, and who already knows and who is doing this, I think they'll have a major boost. Okay, we are going in the right direction. Now going to the second question. What are values? What are the strategies? What strategies can be used in fostering value of equality in early childhood? Discuss. Now keep in mind, this is a 10 marker. Again, another point I wanted to make earlier, it was that definition, जितने भी key pointers हैं आपके syllabus में, उनको रट लो. Just memorize your definitions, because वो एक starting है जहां पर your examiner is reading it. It has to be precise. जितनी छोटी हो, जितनी concise and precise हो, उतना अच्छा. Secondly, add psychologist to that definition. Third, add example to that concept. For example, here it is value. 3 things in definition. Conceptually, it should be right, precise, psychologist, and example. Do it everywhere, wherever you find a keyword, psychological keyword. Make a note of it, sticky notes. Refer to them again and again. Why I am doing this? For example, I think values definition is given by Rokich, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes. So whenever these definitions from psychologists you will prepare, they will have hidden dimensions within them that will help you in framing your answer going forward. Otherwise, everybody will write, okay, this is the allegoric method, okay, token, whatever it is, these are the, this is already prepared. You have 5-6 methods. But how do you make it different? Just mold it with respect to your definition. जो भी आगे application है, that is, वो कुछ भी change कर दो आप. So this is a fairly standard question. यहाँ पर बताना सिर्फ ये था कि सिर्फ definition नहीं, definition precise with psychologist with example. फिर strategies में भी also you can give a very small example. Then move forward. इसमें gain करना बड़ा मुश्किल है ऐसे question में, क्योंकि ये तो 1000 बार आ चुका है. But again, don't miss out. There is an opportunity to lose marks if you miss out on these small things. In such a question, you can also give a very good conclusion. क्योंकि humanistic psychology भी तो एक part है ना. तो how value of equality is important in our lives, उसकी एक लाइन में आप चीज लिख सकते हो. That will be your conclusion. Generally, this will be missed out. And just 1.5, 2 lines maximum. उसमें वो paragraph नहीं लिखना है, because it will deviate your answer from the demand of the question. That we are not doing. We are adding just 1 wow dimensions. Then taking up the third question. I think, sir, this is the kind of question that you referred to me as a bouncer question that might. This is actually not a bouncer question, I feel. I'll illustrate. Discuss the role of artificial intelligence in dealing with mental health problems. On face value, this is a bouncer question. But again, if you have memorized the syllabus, it is very easy. And a little bit of answer writing when you do, it will open up your mind. For example, what are the kind of applications that you can, or the role you can write here? Early detection you can write prognosis, diagnosis. You can write therapies and rehab. और therapy से rehab कैसी होगी? उसमें AI क्या role play कर रहा है? 24/7. Last mile connectivity. Cheaper. वो चीजें ऐड कर दो वहीं पर ही. That is the value addition that you are doing on your base material, which is your syllabus. उससे वो बहुत आसान हो गया. Give example of ChatGPT. Give example of some, for example, I gave the example of IBM that I have read somewhere. I think sir had shared one of the case studies. So I could recall it then and there. It was not prepared. It was not in my notes. But somehow I could recollect it. Okay, this is one. So I put it in a box. that this is my value addition, please read it. And these were the kind of points that I mentioned right from the syllabus. पर्सनैलिटी असेसमेंट वो भी कर सकते हो आप, क्योंकि जैसे डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं तो अगेन गोइंग बैक टू प्री डिस्पोजिंग फैक्टर्स, है ना, इट कैन हेल्प यू. तो इतने में ये क्वेश्चन एड्रेस हो जाता है. In a question that you feel that it is kind of a new question or a bouncer question, so to say, you have to write a very average answer but with practicality, application हो उसकी, it will fetch you marks. Because everybody else will be writing a very below average question. वो हो सकता है कि इसको लास्ट में लिखें कि यार ये तो if I will have 2-3 minutes left at the last, I'll address it then. So my point with respect to how syllabus is important, that is being repeated here. Then fourth question, how can parents use reinforcement contingencies to manage their children's aggressive behavior? Fairly standard question. But reinforcement contingencies, again, when I mentioned that you have to write keywords for every topic, believe me, when I discussed this question with a few of my friends who have written it 2-3 times, they forgot to write those contingencies name, variable interval, continuous interval, or even the fact that there were some other keywords also in this concept that I may not be able to recall right now.
All the type of intervals and spontaneous recovery.
Yes, sir. Spontaneous recovery, very important. I now remember it. I used it in my penultimate conclusion. Okay, whatever reinforcement contingencies you might be using, spontaneous recovery, you have to take care of that. So you have to use these keywords. Until and unless in standard questions you are sprinkling these keywords, you will not fetch marks. The focus is yes on children's aggressive behavior, how you are going to manage it. But the answer has to start with keywords which are related to reinforcement contingencies. 5-6 keywords you have to mention. Mention the psychologist who gave it. Mention their application also. You can, in a very small box, you can mention. If there is a case study that has been mentioned in Barron or some other book, it will be there. And while I am at this point, I would like to add another thing. Whichever books that I have mentioned, you might not read all of those, but do one thing, read the boxes that are given in those books. Because often I have seen in many previous year questions that from Barron, from Hilgard and Atkinson, from Cicerelli, boxes questions are being repeated. Neuropsychology, one question came, I think 3-4 years back, and that was given as it is in Hilgard. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult to address such kind of question if it comes in compulsory question. Then going to the last question, illustrate the role of hypothesis in psychological research. Many people just leave such questions, and while preparing also they leave it, oh, this comes very rarely. The fact is that it is a 10 marker. It might be 15 marker next time. You cannot leave it. And hypothesis was asked only 2-3 years back.
Yes.
So while you are writing the role of hypothesis, do mention null hypothesis, do mention alternate hypothesis, do mention type 1 error, type 2 error. I don't expect you to write one tail, two tail, but I think at least these 4-5 things you have to mention. And I think these would be missed while you are writing the role of hypothesis. It will be a very general answer. If you are doing it, kudos to you, because it is very tough. फाइन, इलस्ट्रेट कह रहा है तो हो सकता है कि एक एग्जाम्पल भी आप बता दीजिए. कैसे कि आपने एक कोई assumption बनाई थी, that was the null hypothesis, and just write below that. इसको disprove if we could not, क्योंकि disprove करना होता है ना उसको. If you could not do, then you go back to your alternate hypothesis. There might have been a type 1 error, there might have been a type 2 error. वो box बना दीजिए जिसमें type 1 type 2 error लिखा होता है. तो वहां वैल्यू एडिशन भी हो गया है, वहां पर आपने ये सारी चीज भी लिख दी है, एंड इट इज काइंड ऑफ एन इलस्ट्रेशन ओनली ना. एवरी एस्पेक्ट दैट आई एम मेंशनिंग हियर, चाहे वो नल हो, ऑल्टरनेट हाइपोथेसिस हो, एरर्स हो, it is all role of hypothesis. And very important, I forgot, in role of hypothesis in testing anywhere, you have to write Anastasia. In anywhere where research is, we are writing a question on research, write Kurlinger, because these are the stalwarts. We might not be from psychology because we are reading only these books. We are not reading their main books which are taught in psychology honors. The students who are from psychology honors, they will connect with this statement. I came to know about this year only. Even I used to write very simple things. Oh, इसमें तो psychologist नहीं मिला है. Those who have done pioneering work in their fields, do mention them, because the psychologist who is checking your paper knows about it. And he or she might feel, यार ये तो mention करना चाहिए था. Answer is good, but this is something that is missing. You might end up losing half or 1 mark. That is the discretion that the teacher has. So demand of the question, you have to understand what has been asked. सिर्फ जो prepare करके आए हैं वो ही नहीं लिखना. Just mold your answer with respect to what is the core demand of the question. For example, I think 2B is a very good question. Sir, can you please scroll up? Discuss language acquisition at different stages of development in the light of theories of Skinner and Chomsky. The point that I was trying to say, address the demand of the question. And I and sir had many debates with respect to कि सर आपने इसमें नंबर कम दिए, मेरे हिसाब से डिमांड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग एड्रेस्ड, एंड आल्सो वाइस वर्सा, सर इसमें आपने नंबर दे दिया एंड आई फील दैट इसमें डिमांड एड्रेस ही नहीं हुई है. So those were the kind of discussions I was having this year. What is the demand? पूछा क्या है? GS2, GS1, GS3 सब में सेम चीज है. Address what has been asked, not what you have learned. आप Skinner and Chomsky के you by heart everything and then you come. If I change this question, discuss the theories of Skinner and Chomsky with respect to acquisition of language at different stages. Now the question is very different. Now you have to discuss the theories. Here the discussion is about language acquisition at different stages. I think, please understand, it might take a few moments to grab what I'm trying to mention here, because बहुत छोटा ही difference है, लेकिन वो है. It is very important to have that eye. यहां पर क्या हो सकता है कि structuring will change. You will mention, okay, this is the first stage. This is what the first theory says. This is what the second theory says. This is the second stage. I am not interested with the other aspects that might have been mentioned by Skinner within the same theory. I might restrict myself to cooing, babbling, and some other things, and some other main aspects. Okay, यहाँ पर one word वो हो जाता है, toddler में क्या हो जाता है, ये difference है. लैंग्वेज एक्विजिशन डिवाइस की अगर चॉम्स्की बात करेंगे तो वो क्रिटिकल पीरियड में आ रहा है, तो यू मेंशन ओके दिस होल इज द क्रिटिकल पीरियड अप टिल 7 years, because again it is the stage of development with respect to that theorist. This is the minor change I think that you must do in every question, understanding what is the core demand of the question, not that the theories तो सब पढ़ के आए हैं और वो सभी वही कुछ लिख रहे हैं. And sometimes it happens, you end up using, it is a 15 mark, you end up using 2.5 pages just writing the theories, and then फिर लगता है कि oh I have missed the core demand. You will end up getting average marks 120, 115. 120, 115 is something, it shows that you have read everything, you are prepared with the optional, you have by heart everything, but demand is not being addressed, or some or the other value addition is being missed. Value addition से 140 आएंगे. लेकिन अगर वो गैप अभी भी है, that is, demand is not being addressed, and it is a very hard truth that I had to swallow, because I was very confident with my knowledge of psychology कि ये आता है मुझे, फिर भी नंबर नहीं आ रहे. Do it, sit with previous year questions, discuss it with your friends if you have a group, that what is the core demand, discuss it with sir, with each and every question. I think I am increasing the workload of sir, whosoever will join the test series. Discuss each and every question. Sir, what is the core demand? Have I addressed it? Marks आ भी गए हो, marks are not important. वो thought process बड़ी important है. You learn it over a period of time, 6-7 tests वो लगेंगे, and it will also generalize in your GS papers. So this is what I wanted to discuss through these 4-5 questions. I think it has helped.
Definitely. I
really-
think, yeah, great insight has been given by you to all the students. And I also shared with the same thing with the student that they need to understand the demand of the question. Like we also keep on discussing at the time of your preparation. So it is very, very important thing. All the students should focus upon this thing, especially the ones who are writing mains this year.